But the idea of the humanoid robot is like, okay, it can do this like really flexible thing. It can go
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
a person can do. And if you could get that sort of technology working, or even in relatively limited domain, that could potentially be a big benefit of it as well. And that seems like a very, very hard problem to me. But there's such an enormous amount of like effort and money going into it that I think there's like a reasonable chance we'll see pretty good progress on it.
I like it. We've seen a few iterations of humanoids trying to enter the construction market, and there's obviously a different form factor that you would need for construction. Like you need high durability, a rugged,
Yeah.
a rugged robot. Like if you've seen the Tesla humanoids, like
Yeah.
probably is not going to survive a construction
Yeah.
site.
The stuff that I've seen seems like pretty far from that. It seems like, okay, if we set it up in this they're like very, very early pilot programs and like factories with like really constrained operations. And you look at it and it's like, well, this thing can barely do anything at all. So it seems pretty far from like being able to like navigate a job site. But
But I
again,
do, yeah, but I do think what you mentioned is correct. Like the reason to be excited and to take the rational optimist approach is because you can stack value. There's multiple use cases potentially for that humanoid form factor than it is for that purpose specific robot that can only drywall, that can only do one specific task.